Hi, my name is Nur Amira Sofia binti Azra Amrizam and my metric number is 15 DKA 22F1049.
Hi, my name is Nurul Afika binti Azmi. My number metric is 15 DKA 22F1057.
Hi and good morning. My name is Nurul Nazra binti Namasudi. My metric number 15 DKA 22F1051.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Rahman Syazwani binti Khairul Anwar and my number metric is 15 DKA 22F1055.
There are 5 concrete words that we have learned in this chapter. First one is concrete preparing. Second one is concrete transporting. Third one is casting and placing concrete. Fourth one is compacting concrete, and the last one is concrete curing. For concrete preparing, we have 2 methods. First one is volume method, and the second one is weighing method. This picture shows the differences of volume method and weighing method. So we have 2 types of mixing concrete. The first one is manually. Manually is we using our hand to mix the concrete, and second one is using machine. Using machine, we basically use machine to mix the concrete, or we use batching plants.
Up next is concrete transporting. There's a lot of method of concrete transportation on site and batching plant, such as wheelbarrow, chutes, crane and skip, which is mobile crane and tower crane, pump, and lastly, truck mixer. Casting and placing concrete framework. We are using 4 types of framework, which is wood, plastic and PVC, steel, and lastly, aluminium. Concrete OPC and RAC 100 per day. For the structure beam, wall and column without load, takes 3 days for OPC and 2 days for RAC. Board support for slab take 4 days for OPC and 3 days on RAC. Detachment support on slab takes 10 days for OPC and 5 days for RAC. Below beam. Next is compacting concrete. The purpose of compacting concrete. Compacting is the process which expels and traps air from freshly placed concrete and packs the aggregate particles together so as to increase the density of concrete. It increases significantly the ultimate strength of the concrete and enhance the bond with the reinforcement. There's 3 methods of compacting concrete, which is hand compaction, free fall use steel wood, hand compaction, knocking with hammer to edge mold, and lastly vibrator.
Next part is concrete curing. Curing is the process of controlling the rate and extent of moisture loss from concrete curing during cement hydration. Curing by continuously wetting the exposed surface, thereby preventing the loss of moisture from it. Bonding or spraying the surface with water are methods typically employed to this end. Curing prevents the loss of water, which is required for the hydration of cement to avoid shrinkage, cracks, and premature stressing or disturbance in concrete. I will show how we want to test the curing strength. If the curing 3 days, it will be 30%. If the curing 7 days, it will be 70%, and the curing 28 days, it will be 100% and more strength. This is an example of method of concrete curing. First is covering concrete. The other one is sprinkling of water and ponding method. And this is spraying chemical. Spray chemical compound silica on concrete surface to prevent water loss through evaporation. This is an example of steam curing.
Response concrete, reinforcement bar and fabric reinforcement. Type of reinforcement bar: hot roll, higher steel. First, the surface to round and overlapping. Second, high carbon content. Third, product from low alloy steel. This tensile strength is 416 Newton millimeter square and minimum aggression is 12%, 0.12 for 16 millimeter diameter bar. 4. Y or T code for high stress steel. Next, hot roll mill steel. First, the surface of the type of bar is smooth, plain, and circle round. Second, this can change shape and have tension strength of 250 Newton and millimeter square and aggression of 22%. Third, easy to bend through on small radius. Example, a wet beam, falling column, or strip on the small beam. 4. R code for mill steel. After that, cold working high steel. First, surface overlapping and 12 force light. And second, the tension strength is 416 Newton millimeter square and aggression is 450 for bar diameter of 15 millimeter. Third, canal is diaphragm bar or bar shape. 4. Standard bar shape and how to relate reinforcement is perceived is BS 415C. Next, fabric reinforcement. Hexagonal wire mesh. This mesh is shaped and easy to be identified. Also known by the name chicken wire mesh. The visual size is 10 until 25 mm. Fabric reinforcement. Bell wire mesh made of small and medium reinforcement, more robust and that hexagonal wire. The connection is welded, can be shaped according to the shape of the structure, and the disadvantage are the weakness in the connection. After that, frame reinforcement. This use is for structure framework, which is the layer of fabric bonds. Frame reinforcement is placed at the distance of 30 cm square. The size of the counterpiece 4.20 mm and 6.25 mm reinforcement are the most commonly used.
Timber of type wood which has been processed into beams and planks. Timber or lumber is a work of firewood of growing trees. Any wood capable of yielding a minimum dimensional size can be termed as a timber or lumber, and it is a stage in the process of wood production. Timber also used for building houses and making furniture. Engineered wood sheet, material made up of fine layers of flimsy standards of wood veneers attached together, placing wood grains 90 degrees to one another. Low moisture content, which makes various tasks easy to perform with this. There's a variety of types of plywoods. First one is softwood plywood. Second one is hardwood plywood. The third one is tropical plywood. Fourth one is aircraft plywood. And lastly is decorative plywood. Advantage of plywood is it has very good strength and durability compared to medium density fiberboard (MDF). It is available in different thickness, range from 6 mm to 12 mm. And lastly, plywood usually made up of different wood species. Disadvantage is it is more expensive than medium density fiberboard, and because of the layer of veneers are seen at the edge, so the edge have to be finished either by laminate or veneer. Lastly, it often gets splintered from the edge during transportation. The second one of timber is glue laminate timber. Glue laminate timber, also abbreviated glulam, is a type of structural engineered wood product constituted by layers of dimensional lumber bonded together with durable, moisture-resistant structural adhesive. In North America, the material providing the lamination is termed laminated stock or lamstock. The advantage of glulam timber is first, easy to use. Second, has a good strength and the ability to withstand weight. Third one is good fire resistant. And lastly, possibility of termites is very less. And the disadvantage is it has higher price and not in a really good quality. Fiberboard is a type engineered wood product that is made up of wood fibers. Type of fiberboards in order of increasing density include particle board or low density fiberboard (LDF), medium density fiberboard (MDF), and hardboard (high density fiberboard (HDF). Benefit of fiber is lightweight and easy to handle, quick and simple to install, environment friendly composition, and affordable price. And the disadvantage of fiberboard is weak compared to wood, not as durable as real wood, require more nails when installing it, and it might make more time to install compared to real wood. Particle board is an engineered wood product manufactured from wood chips and a synthetic resin or other suitable binders, which is pressed and extruded. Particle board is often confused with oriented strand board (OSB), also known as fretboard or wafer board, a different type of fiberboard that uses machined wood flakes and offer more strength.
Glue laminated timber advantage and disadvantage. The advantage is has a good flexibility. Second one is easier to use than steel and concrete, and third one good strength and the ability to withstand weight. The last one is good fire resistant. And the disadvantage is the price of glue laminated timber is higher than normal timber. And the second one is glue laminated timber has a poor quality.